Now to the growing battle over abortion. For the second day in a row, a state is taking sweeping new action to eliminate abortions. Missouri lawmakers agreeing to ban most abortions after 8 weeks, even if the pregnancy is caused by rape or incest. Doctors would face prison time for performing them. The governor promising to sign it into law. Yesterday, Alabama's governor signed a near total ban on abortions, also imposing prison sentences on doctors who perform them. The only exception is the mother's life being in danger. Conservative states are passing these laws with the intention of overturning Roe v. Wade. The law gives women the constitutional right to access safe and legal abortion. Utah also passed a law this legislative session limiting abortion rights. ABC4's Brittany Johnson has been looking into this and joins us live from the Capitol. Brittany, what rights would Utah women have if Roe v. Wade were overturned?
Well, John, things are up in the air because this is the first incident of its kind under Roe v. Wade. Specifically here in Utah, things are uncertain because the law that passed this legislative session limiting abortion rights is going through a litigation process of its own. What rights would Utah women have if the Supreme Court of the United States overturned Roe v. Wade, which gives women the constitutional right to access safe and legal abortion?
That's a really good question.
Leah Farrell is the senior staff attorney for the ACLU of Utah. She says it's hard to say what would exactly happen with abortion laws here in Utah because of our current situation. This year, Utah lawmakers passed House Bill 136, prohibiting legal abortion after 18 weeks. With a few exceptions. But the ACLU, along with Planned Parenthood of Utah, placed an injunction against the law, saying it's unconstitutional.
We would have a number of laws on our books that would have to be then reinterpreted through whatever the new Supreme Court law would be, whatever the new decision would be.
One thing that is clear, conservative states are passing tougher abortion laws specifically designed to go to the Supreme Court and challenge the law of the land.
What we anticipate happening is likely one of those cases will make its way up to the Supreme Court, and then the Supreme Court may decide to review it and make a decision. Make a decision that limits the access to abortion that we have already, but doesn't completely give us, allow states to outlaw it overall.
Well, this is going to be a hot topic issue for the foreseeable future, and I want to know what you think. Go to our website, abc4.com, and go to our Facebook page where I've posted this story and weigh in on the comments to tell us what you think. For now, reporting live from the Utah State Capitol tonight, I'm Brittany Johnson, ABC4 News.